one of the things I've always liked about the Millennium is that, you really do get in a more intimate setting, whether it's sitting down at dinner, sitting down in between meetings, but also the face-to-face time that you wouldn't normally get with a C-suite, type individual, and really, being able to get the word out there to not just C-suite, but key individuals and key decision makers within the organization that can talk to your product and be able to spread the word within that organization. So, yeah, I like the format. For me, there's, at some of these large conferences, there's so much noise. There's so much going on. You got, 30 seconds of somebody coming by the booth, if they come by your booth, by the way. But no, I've always enjoyed the format, and I thought it's always been really effective. So.
We knew all along that we would get access to decision makers, access that if you're in the industry as long as I've been, you realize is impossible to get in any other way. You will spend 1,000 hours, $1,000 trying to crawl up ladders, open doors to people that get 20 emails a day talking about vendors. They are shopping for things, and they will tell you what they're shopping about at the Millennium Alliance in their needs assessment workbook. You then choose the ones that look like they're shopping for something that you might be able to provide. You meet some bright, interesting people, all different levels of organizations, but pretty much all top C-suite type folks, medical directors, presidents, CEOs, and that's what the value is. The value is a highly condensed marketing opportunity because they're here to buy, you're here to sell. They know that. There's no fun convention stuff. There's no display floor. This is a business conference for business people in a very effective and concentrated way. That's why we're coming back again.